Why? Ibrahim, Amina, Mera, Yahya, Rashda.
Ma'am, 1 minute, I'm getting my book and coming.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 minute.
I checked Yahya, Ibrahim, and Amina's maths homework. I have checked. Okay. So whatever correction is there, it is there in the edited file. Have you checked it, Yahya? You made mistake in first question, Yahya and Ibrahim.
Ma'am, I also made, so I will check, ma'am. I checked.
Yeah. Just check edited file. There I have marked the mistake. Okay. Amina, you too. Abdullah, this time I did not receive your homework.
Sorry, ma'am. Today I will do it. I have done it. I just have to upload it and the other one.
Mm-hmm. Anas and Muhammadi, you have not been submitting homework. Every class I keep on telling you. You don't submit. Anas, you have not submitted a single homework. And what happened? Muhammadi, you don't get time to solve, to do homework, maths and science homework at home. Yeah, Muhammad.
No, I'm just.
Anas, on your camera. Yes, Muhammad.
Ma'am, my other classes exam was there, ma'am. So I can't submit.
What class exam?
When we have one that we have to pray the Quran, ma'am.
But see, it's not like only one subject you have to study. You have to study 5. So many subjects are there. It's not that I have to do English homework, so I'll not do this homework. You cannot do like that, no? You have to do, you have, see, other people are doing, then why you are not getting time? When you take responsibility, you have to complete it. You have to do the homework. You're not getting time to do single science and maths homework. Since January, just check your Google Classroom. You have not submitted a single homework. Why I'm telling you to do this directly, you will give test. Then how you will submit the test paper? That time also you'll not get time to write the test also. Yes, Anna? You don't get time. That is the very bad excuse, because you don't take it as a preference. Studies is not your preference. You don't want to do. What is the problem? Because you were not like that earlier in the beginning of the session. You were among the first students who used to complete the homework and submit it. Now what has happened to you? Why you're not giving the homework? You have to take out some time. Is it clear, Anas? I want your homework. Muhammadi, yours too. Other people are submitting homework, whether it is late or not, but they are submitting. But you are not submitting, both of you, Muhammadi and Anas. Both of you are not submitting a single homework. And then within 2 weeks, you have test also. How will you write your questions then? How will you write the answers? Rest of you, those who have not completed, Munib, then Humaira, this time I have not got your homework also. Rashda, complete your homework and submit it. Okay, I'm not asking about the revision question bank. I'm telling you the regular homework. The question bank I have given you for home practice. Do it for practice. Okay, if you want to submit that also, I'm fine with it. I'll check it and send it back to you.
I will submit also if there is any mistakes then.
Yes. But see, you people are not completing homework only. That's why I'm not pressurizing to do that.
Ma'am, I did every homework.
Yes, you have completed. You, Yahya, Abdullah. Usually Humaira also submits the homework. Amina also submits the homework. Rashda has started doing it now. So all of you are doing. Munib, I'm not getting your homework also. Huh? This time I have not received Munib.
That, ma'am, that homework, that percentage you wanna give, no?
Yeah, percentage.
I don't know. I was not receiving it, but when I refresh my Google Classroom, then only I received it.
Yeah. So why I give you homework to practice? Because maths requires practice. Science also is fine, but still you should know what we did in the class. That's why I give you homework to do some questions at home. Otherwise, in the next class, you will forget. Okay? So today we are going to start with, what will we start? What have we done in the last class? What have we done?
Ma'am, we did distillation. Separation process.
Yes, ma'am.
We did distillation. So next process we are going to start with today.
Yes.
Okay, not a whiteboard. Let me share the PPT only. Wait. Just a moment. I'll just find out my. Today we are going to start with sublimation. All of you know what is sublimation, okay? What is sublimation? Do you remember? What is sublimation? Don't read, put it in your own words. It's there on the slide also.
Ma'am, when solid changes directly into gas.
Wait, yes,
Ma'am,
on heating.
Ma'am, like dry ice.
Yes. So usually what happens when most of the solid, when you heat it, it melts into liquid, right? So that is melting, right? But here in sublimation, it is a process in which when you heat solid, it changes directly into gas. So this is called as sublimation, and sublimation takes place in few of the substance like Abdullah told, dry ice, naphthalene, camphor. In all these examples, these are the examples of the substances which undergo sublimation, in which the solid directly changes into gas. Now, if you have a mixture in which one substance is, one of the substance can sublimate, so you can use sublimation. Okay, for example, if you have a mixture of salt and iodine, okay, iodine also sublimate. So when you heat this mixture, what will happen? Iodine will vaporize, okay, it will go, and you are left with salt. Okay, so whenever in a mixture you have a substance which can sublimate, in that separation process, sublimate.
Ma'am, can you tell it again because my network was gone?
See, what is sublimation? Sublimation is when a solid directly changes into gas on heating. So not all substances undergo sublimation. Some of the substance undergo sublimation, that is dry ice, iodine, then camphor, then what else?
And what is
Naphthalene.
camphor?
Okay. Camphor is,
We keep
for burning also.
camphor balls. We keep that
Camphor balls, it smell when you keep it and you burn it also. Camphor.
Is it for mosquitoes, ma'am?
No, it is not for mosquito. We use in puja, धूप के लिए डालते हैं ना. We just make fire also. Okay, when you keep it as it is, it will vaporize. Okay, so it vaporizes on its own. So these are sublimate. So these substances undergo sublimation. So whenever you have a mixture in which one of the substance can sublimate, okay, so in that condition we use sublimation. For example, if you have a mixture of iodine crystals and mixture of iodine and salt, okay, so iodine and salt, how to separate it? You know that iodine can be sublimated. So you heat it. When you heat salt, it will just heat up the salt, but iodine, it will vaporize. Okay, it will change into gas. So gas you cannot see. So what is left in the dish?
It's like a distillation only.
Yeah.
In that it's water, and in this we have some.
Correct. So in that, what happens? In that, liquid changes into vapor. So that is a normal process. That is called as boiling or vaporization. But this is here, sublimation is taking place. In here, solid is changing into gas. Okay? Without changing into liquid, solid is changing into gas. So it is also a process of separation, sublimation. Like evaporation में क्या होता था?
So ma'am,
Liquid
we
was
can do
changing into
direct,
vapor.
like we don't need to add water, we can do direct
No.
salt and sand.
Yes. So if you have this mixture, salt and iodine, you don't need to
Yes.
put water. Okay? So because
Okay.
you need to separate
So ma'am,
salt and
iodine will go up and salt will remain in the container.
so you get salt.
Okay.
Okay, so in this way it gets separated. So this is sublimation. This process is called as sublimation. Another example is ammonium chloride. Now ammonium chloride is also a substance which can sublimate. Okay, I'll make you write some of the name of the substance which can sublimate. So whenever you get a mixture where you have these substance, you will use sublimation first. Okay, so what happens when you have a mixture of ammonium chloride and salt? So you have a mixture over here, it will be a powdered form. Okay? How to separate it? You will heat it. When you heat it, this ammonium chloride will directly change into vapor and you are left with the salt in the dish. Okay? And this, when it goes up, again it cools down and then solidifies and gets deposited on the walls of the container. Is it clear?
Ma'am, what is ammon? What did you say?
It is a compound,
Ammonium
chloride.
Yeah, what is it?
It is a compound. Okay, like you have water. Water is a compound. Ammonia gas is a compound. Carbon dioxide is a compound. And I have already told you what are now. After this chapter, we'll be doing this elements and compounds. Okay, and atomic structure. Then you will understand a little more. Okay, so it is a name of a compound, ammonium chloride. So you can see that when you have a mixture of ammonium chloride and salt, so how to separate this? You will heat this mixture. On heating, ammonium chloride sublimate, means vaporizes and moves up, and you are left with the salt. So in this way it gets separated. When ammonium chloride moves up, you know, this is colder, upper part of the container is colder, so it again solidifies and sticks on the walls of the container. So you can see this solidified ammonium chloride. Okay, so it is covered, it is not moving out, so it will cool down over here only and stick to the neck of the container. Is this method
ma'am,
to
it
everyone?
can go out also, na? So like just
It can
from
go
here.
out if you don't keep this cotton plug over here, it will go out.
And ma'am, what is this over here, like this?
This is
What
this solid ammonium chloride.
Ma'am, what if you want both? So then we have to put the cotton plug also, no?
If you want both, then you have to put the cotton plug. Usually we separate one, we want one thing, so we separate like this. Okay? Fine. Is it clear? Sublimation.
Yes, ma'am.
What is sublimation and where to use? Okay, some
Ma'am,
examples
do we have
also.
to write these?
You have to write, but write this. Okay? Sublimation, write the topic sublimation. You don't need to draw any diagram in this, but you should know what is this technique. Sublimation is used to separate. First of all, what is sublimation? So you write the definition. Just write the topic and then write this.
Ma'am, I wrote it. The process in which solid changes.
Right. You have to write this. Okay. First, write the topic sublimation. I don't know the sequence is correct or not. Just remember the sequence. What sequence is this? Sublimation is on what number?
It is correct. 9 only. 9 only.
It is 9 only. So sublimation is the process in which, write down just the definition. Sublimation is the process in which a solid changes directly into vapor state, and then on heating also you have to write. Don't leave that. Okay, is called sublimation. All of you have written?
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Done,
Done,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Done,
Done, ma'am.
ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now write down where it is used. Sublimation is used to separate that component of a solid.
Ma'am,
solid
I'm not done. I
Not
didn't
done?
write that down.
How much you have written? Till where you have written? Only one line you have to write.
Yes, but I only have a few words left.
Okay, just a moment. Right. Only one line you have to write, okay? Just the definition is called heating.
Ma'am, in both
Ma'am,
the
we don't
diagram,
have to write. Ma'am, we don't have to write directly into vapor state on heating is called sublimation.
You have to
ma'am,
write that no? Directly into
Okay,
vapor.
ma'am, done.
Yeah, ma'am, I wrote that only.
ma'am, in ammonium chloride, while there is Chinese dish,
China dish. I told you na, in the beginning, you remember I showed you some of the apparatus which we use in some of the materials which we use in chemistry lab. This is China dish because on heating it will not break. In this shape, this dish is called as China dish. Name of the dish is China dish. Is it clear? Or sometimes we call it crucible also. Remember I told you.
Ma'am,
China
is
dish.
that from China?
Ma'am, I have one question, ma'am. In this
China, we have this chini mitti we say na, uska bartan. So this is China
Yeah.
dish.
ma'am,
Hindi mein we say chini mitti.
there is two solids written over here. Component of a solid mixture.
Alright, two solid will be there na. Ammonium chloride and salt. Salt and sand. So these are solid mixture. Okay. When you
you
have
have to write this.
Yes. So put a dash over here so you understand it. So when it is used to separate that component of a solid mixture which sublimes on heating. Sublimes which vaporizes on heating. Okay. So examples are, so you can see ammonium chloride, iodine, camphor. These substances undergo this thing, sublimation. Can be separated from anything from a mixture by sublimation. So just remember these things, and if you have a mixture containing any one of this substance, then you will use sublimation.
Ma'am, we have to write only till the examples, or we have to write Agika also can be separated from a mixture by sublimation.
You have to write.
Ma'am, do we have to write the second one also, the examples also?
Yes, examples also. And you have to remember the examples because the questions will be asked like, how will you separate ammonium chloride and sand? So you will remember that ammonium chloride can sublimate. So we'll use sublimation so that ammonium chloride means vaporizes, and you are left with sand. If it is asked, how will you separate ammonium chloride, sand, salt? How will you separate it? Ammonium chloride, salt, and sand.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
Who is asking? Yeah. Tell.
Yes, ma'am. First, we'll do sublimation so that ammonium chloride will be separated, and then we will put water. We will put water in it so that the salt dissolves in it, and then we will do filtration so that sand will be in the filter paper. And then we will vaporize it or distillation.
Yes, then you are left with salt water, and then you will distill salt water, or you can use evaporation also.
Evaporation also.
Yes. So this way you have.
Ma'am, I have not
Write it completely.
example.
Yeah, example. Write down the examples.
Ma'am, what was he telling, ma'am?
Okay, I'm coming to that question. I'll give you that question also.
Ma'am, the exam, ma'am, Alfia ma'am said that it will be offline.
Yes, it will be offline. Okay,
Yes,
I wanted to ask you one thing. Have you got exam dates of any subject?
No, ma'am. We
No,
haven't.
ma'am.
Alfia ma'am said they can give on any date, like.
Yeah.
Alfia ma'am said that teachers will compromise and then they will give.
Okay. Okay. What I'm thinking that when do you want to give maths paper?
The math paper we will give first.
Tuesday, ma'am. Tuesday.
Monday. No, Monday, ma'am. Monday,
It's
ma'am.
Monday.
yes, ma'am. In starting only you give.
Monday, ma'am. Monday.
Okay, listen.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
22nd is going to start. See, when I give you paper on 22nd, within 3 days you have to submit the paper. Like if I'm giving you
Yes.
Monday,
Yeah, we know, ma'am. Alfia ma'am said us yesterday only. She
Monday is
explained
good,
us.
ma'am. Monday.
yeah. So then write your date for maths paper as Monday 22nd. And what about science paper? When should I give you science paper?
Tuesday.
Ma'am, Wednesday.
Tuesday, ma'am.
Ma'am, Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Ma'am, Wednesday.
Tuesday.
Okay. Okay.
Tuesday.
Mostly are telling Wednesday. How many of you are telling Wednesday? Tell me.
Wednesday.
1, 2,
Ma'am,
3,
me.
4, 5,
Ma'am,
6,
I
7.
didn't hear what you said.
I said, when do you want to give science paper? Monday, I'm giving maths paper. So after that, when do you want to give science paper? In that week only. So Tuesday or Wednesday?
Ma'am, Wednesday.
Ma'am,
Wednesday, ma'am. Wednesday.
So write down the day on your
Wednesday.
screen somewhere. You write down 22nd, and other teachers also you inform that you are getting maths on 22nd and 23rd, 24th. 24 you will be getting science. Okay. So math science done. I will be uploading the question paper on Monday. So check on Monday 22nd को. Okay. But you have to without
Ma'am,
seeing the answer you have to give. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when is science? 24th or 25th?
24th, which is Wednesday.
22nd is Monday, na?
Yeah.
Yes.
So 24th will be Wednesday. So 22nd I will be uploading maths and 24th I'll be uploading science. You have to submit it within 3 days. So 22nd ka 3 days kitna ho gaya? 25 ke pehle. Send it. Okay. And mention the comment also I have submitted. Okay. Is it clear? So all revision, everything I have given. I'm not giving any homework now. The last is revision only. Just keep revising. Okay, whatever questions are given. Science I have given you revision.
No, ma'am, you did not give.
Yes, ma'am, you gave.
Revision question I
You
have
gave homework last week. No, you did not give
no,
revision.
revision I have not given. Just a minute. I'll just see whether I have prepared it, but I forgot to send it to you. Let me see.
And that also we do not have to submit, right? Science ka.
No need to submit. If you have any doubt, I'll show the revision questions that I have prepared. So see, this type of question you will get. Multiple choice question will be there. Which of the following fuel is used for running automobiles? Okay. Name the chemical
Math
process.
paper. I have one question. Math paper, jitna long you give, that long will be in FA.
Nahi. It is just 25 marks. That
No,
long will not.
I'm asking jitna
Ma'am, it will
long
be 2
that-
pages, not 2 pages.
How, ma'am, that you give maths that was
Math
3
will be
pages.
3
So-
pages.
yes, ma'am. So in FA also we will get 3 pages.
We don't count on pages. It depends on the size of question. It's question size.
Ma'am, in
the
math, I
mark.
think there were mainly 45 or something questions.
35
don't-
is a-
So FA revision is different. That is for your practice. Similar kind of questions will be asked. Here, see, here also you have these MCQs and the questions, theory questions are like this. Can we say that 1 mark question, 2 mark question, everything I have written in this only. So what type of questions are some of the questions we have done in class also? Name the fuel which is gradually replacing petrol and diesel in automobiles. Can you name it? Can you name the fuel?
CNG.
CNG, ma'am.
But
CNG.
you have to use paper or kerosene oil to start fire in wood or coal. Can you tell that? Why do you have to use it? Why do you use paper and kerosene oil to start fire?
Because it is a good conductor of fire.
Nahi. See what happens. Wood has got very high ignition temperature.
Ignition temperature and more. It is more than paper and kerosene.
Kerosene and paper has less ignition temperature, so it heats up and it helps in raising the temperature
Fire.
of wood. Temperature of wood, so that
Yes.
its ignition temperature is reached. Okay.
Yes.
What chemical can put out a fire? What chemicals?
Carbon dioxide.
Dioxide.
And
Carbon dioxide and sand. Sand.
sand is not a chemical, but baking soda.
Nitrogen.
Baking soda, nitrogen, hydroxide.
No, not hydroxide. Baking soda usually we use, na? So baking soda you can
Yes,
use.
baking soda also.
LPG is better domestic fuel than
Ma'am,
wood. This
ma'am,
you have done.
what is baking soda's scientific name?
Sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. This you have done in notebook also. You have written this.
Yes,
in
ma'am.
The
Sodium
chapters
hydrogen
that are coming for FA, the same chapters will come for essay also.
essay. We'll see how much we completed, because same chapter will come. The last portion will also be
And
there.
we will have more one more exam in April, right?
Right, and that will be a long paper, long duration essay. Okay? This is just 25 marks paper. So see, just go through these questions and see if you are able to do it or not. MCQ in the exam, you will get some MCQs, some reasoning question. Okay, and I'll see if I put some match the following also. Is it clear? So I'll send you this.
Yes, ma'am.
So many MCQs and so many answers the following won't come because it is only 25 marks paper.
No, this is not your test paper. Okay.
I'm just asking you that in the test paper there won't be so many questions, right?
No, there won't be. There will be maximum 5 MCQ.
Ma'am,
Okay.
MCQs marks will contain
It is
each.
25 marks, na?
Ma'am, MCQs each question will contain how many marks?
One mark. MCQ is
Yeah.
always 1 mark. One question, 1 mark. So 5 MCQ, 5 marks. Okay. Rest 20 marks will be 2 marks. Ka you will be getting. What is MCQ? Okay. MCQ is multiple choice question. Means when 4 options are given, 1 option is correct. Okay, Mohammed? You have 4 options. Just now you saw the question paper, the revision questions. So you have 4 options given. One of them is the correct answer. So you have to tick mark or write down the option. Option B, option C. Whatever is the correct option. Okay? Write down the question number 1. Write down the option A. Question 2, option B. Like that you have to write. Okay? So this way you will do. It is clear now? Any doubt on FA questions?
No, ma'am, but you can you give the paper pattern of science exam?
Paper pattern I gave you na just now. That's why I'm giving you the revision questions. Na?
Yeah, so you said that we'll get multiple choice questions and answer the following. And what else we'll get?
See, mostly you will have multiple choice questions. Okay? You will have 5. Okay? Then you will have 2 marks question. Everything will be answered the following only in science. Okay? Then you have 3 marks question. And then you will have again 5 marks long question. Okay? It can be long answer questions. It can be in parts also. So mostly most of the questions, yeah.
What is 3 marks? What is in 3 marks? 2 marks is answer the following.
Only by separation is not
Answer the
coming.
following. Everything
Separation is not coming.
separation is not coming, na?
Yeah,
Every
so he was
answer
telling
the following
that
question.
diagram.
Okay? Everything is answer the following question. Only thing is some questions will be 2 marks, some questions will be 3 marks. Okay? Science may you get this type of question pattern only. some will be MCQs, or you will have fill in the blanks. Okay? So answer the following may you can have 1 ka fill in the blanks. 2 marks may mostly, so you have to prepare for answers only. Okay? And MCQs. So MCQ, if you prepare for answer, you will be able to answer the MCQs also. Wait, I'll just show you once again these questions. See, if you see,
Yesterday, Alfia explained what is HOTS.
what is what? See, English
And
may you get
what,
comprehension and long answer question like that, na? So science may you get like this, give reason. You will get 2 marks in this. Can we say that ironing of a cloth is a reversible change? Okay, so you give reason. So 1 mark is for yes or no, and reason 1 mark for reason. So this will be 2 marks question. What are the differences between reversible changes and irreversible changes? Depending on if the points will be mentioned, right? Any 2 points. Classify the growth. Now, this type of question, how many marks will be there? If you get 5 options, you will get 5 marks. Classify the following as reversible, irreversible change. Growth of a plant. Is it a reversible or irreversible? Growth of a plant?
Irreversible.
Irreversible. Plowing of seed.
Irreversible.
Falling of rain. Pulling of rubber string. So all these are reversible or irreversible. That falling of rain is reversible or irreversible?
Reversible.
Reversible. Water cycle.
Reversible.
Water cycle. So it is reversible. So if you get 5 options,
Ma'am,
you will get
pulling
5.
off rubber string will be irreversible, right?
No, it is reversible. If you pull a rubber string, if you leave it, it comes back to its original
No,
shape.
ma'am, when it breaks, ma'am, then we can't.
When it breaks, so it is not written ki breaking of a rubber string. Okay. Formation of clouds is a physical change. Explain. Okay. So how can you explain it? It will be 3 marks. Formation of clouds is a physical change. So you will have to explain how
I
you
did
will
not
have
understand formation of clouds.
how cloud is formed. You know how clouds
Like,
are formed.
ma'am, it is evaporated
Yes,
and the
ma'am.
vapor goes
And then they condense it and they
condensed
become
and it
clouds.
becomes a cloud that we have to explain.
So they have asked why it is a physical change, because phase change is taking place. Basically, water changes into water.
Vapor.
Gets heated up, changes into vapor, moves up, cools down, condensed, and forms cloud. Then through cloud, rain falls to the ground in the form of water, and then again the water. So this way, what is happening? Evaporation means changing of water into vapor, vapor into liquid, and then again liquid falling down. So this way, it is a phase change. It is a physical change. Phase change is a physical change, right? Melting, boiling, all these are physical change. You remember it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is why it is a physical change. Classify the following changes as physical and chemical only. Breaking of a brick with a hammer. Then is soaring. So in science, mostly you will get reason ka question and explanation ka question. Is soaring of milk and definition also. What is chemical change? Okay, you will get define or what is defined chemical change. Is soaring of milk
Ma'am, does milk also become sour?
Yes, that is a chemical
How,
change.
ma'am?
Arey, we get it sour milk. We use it in.
फट जाता है जब दूध फटता है, that is a sour.
When you let the milk be for a long time, if you just keep it
Yes,
open.
keep it longer time outside, so it will become sour. So why it is a chemical change? Because it cannot be reversed. A new substance is formed. Okay. Suggest 2 methods how paneer is formed. Suggest 2 methods to prevent rusting.
Through
Painting and zinking. Zinking.
You have to say galvanizing. Okay.
Galvanization.
Painting, galvanizing.
Painting and galvanization.
Yeah, galvanization you can say. Is cloud formation?
Ma'am, what is galvanization?
The method of preventing
We
rust.
put zinc on it.
Iron with
Ma'am,
zinc.
I can't hear everyone saying together.
Coating iron with zinc is galvanization. Okay. So when you coat iron with zinc, zinc does not rust. So this is called as galvanization. Okay. And when you paint also iron, then also it prevents rusting. There are 3 factors which supports burning. What is combustion? These are important question. What is this? I have not mentioned over here. What is combustion? Name combustible. What is combustible material? Okay, what define ignition temperature? These are
Ma'am, we
direct
need
questions.
Fire.
air,
Ma'am, can I tell the 3
kerosene,
factors?
Air, fire,
Ma'am,
fire,
air,
and ignition temperature.
ignition temperature,
air, kerosene.
Okay, listen to me. One more thing I wanted to tell you. Now, since you are writing answer, what you have to do when it is asked state 3 conditions of necessary conditions for combustion. You have to write full sentence. Presence of combustible substance. Presence of supporter of combustion. Like this, you have written in your notes also. Remember, you have written like that, na? Presence of supporter of combustion. Presence of combustible substances, and third point is what is third point left? Heat.
oxygen.
Heat. Supporter of combustion is oxygen only, na? That point is oxygen.
Air, kerosene, and fire we
Ma'am,
need, right?
can you tell presence of oxygen?
Yes, you
And
can say
presence
presence of oxygen or supporter of combustion. Anything you can say. Presence of
And in heat, can we tell ignition temperature?
temperature. Yes. So if you want to make your answer beautiful, you can mention those extra points also. It is not extra, it is the same point. Write your answer so anyone can understand. Whoever has not read the chapter also can understand. Don't write the answer for the teacher, okay? You should write your answer such that anyone who reads your answer will understand the question. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So make it a habit of writing your answer properly, because when you reach to higher standards, new questions will be asked and you have to understand the question and put the answer in your own words with the concept which you have understood. Okay? So that you have to
Okay,
explain
ma'am.
the answer in that way. Okay? And always pay attention to the marks. If it is 2 marks question, then that means 2 reasons, 2 points should be there. If it is a 3 marks question, that means 3 statements should be there, proper explaining the reason or whatever is asked. Like state 3 condition for combustion. It will be 3 mark question. Is it clear? Because 3 points are there. So 3 points, 3 marks. This
So,
way.
ma'am, we will add the question was.
Air.
No, we will add like we need combustible substance, supporter of combustion, and heat and ignition temperature, like that.
Write down points. Go through your notes. You have written everything in your notes in point wise only. Okay? So just go through your notes. You will be able to solve everything. Solve all the questions. Okay? Fine. Is there any doubt in the
Okay,
pattern
ma'am.
of questions now?
No, ma'am. Just, ma'am, I wanted to ask that can you tell the 3 necessary states of combustion? Actually, in January when you started, na, that time I was absent in 2 classes.
You didn't note down?
So maybe I missed
your
it.
friends.
Maybe I missed out, ma'am.
There was a fire triangle, remember? Then 3 points we wrote. Just go through it. Presence of just go through the notes or the recordings also. I think all the recordings are there. Go through the recordings. Okay? Fire, combustion, all these topics are there in the YouTube also.
Ma'am, the types of fuel, solid, liquid, and gas.
Yes.
You didn't know that.
They also asked. Name a solid fuel, types of fuel, what is combustible substance, what is not combustible
Ma'am,
substance.
petrol, diesel, kerosene.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you told not that 3 points. It is written like 3 important things for combustion is fuel, heat or ignition temperature, and oxygen or air.
Correct. That is also there in terms of fire triangle. Then I wrote this also, 3 conditions for combustion. That is also one topic. Just go through the
Yes, ma'am.
notes. You will find.
English
And
and
ma'am, we
Sanskrit.
learned about fire extinguishers and how to prevent fire also.
Correct. What is used in fire extinguisher? The question was asked, name the chemicals used in fire extinguisher.
In
You will
homework,
not
you
get
gave
time.
one question of it.
Why water cannot
Last
be used to extinguish fire because of petrol and diesel? Okay, this reason also I gave you. I told you to write. Why water
Yes,
cannot be used to extinguish electrical fire? So all these are the reasoning questions which can be asked in 2 marks. Okay, why water cannot? Why a person? If a person's cloth catches fire, then why do you wrap? What will you do?
Ma'am, we will
Wrap
wrap up him into a blanket.
Yeah, you will wrap blanket. So what? Why you're
So
wrapping a
the-
blanket?
so
Which
the-
supply you are cutting?
we are cutting the air supply.
Correct. You are cutting this air supply. Okay.
Ma'am, immediately we need to wrap him. Otherwise,
Yes.
it will.
Ma'am,
burn
I
him.
want to say something.
Yes. Yeah.
Ma'am, in that 3 important things of combustion, can we also draw that fire triangle?
Yeah. So sorry. Come again. I didn't hear.
In that question, 3 important things for combustion.
Correct.
That in that, can we draw fire triangle also?
Fire triangle you can draw, but that will be extra. But you have to write the points also. Okay.
Okay.
You have to write the point, and if you have time, you can draw the fire triangle also. Fine. If it is a 3 marks question, you can draw fire triangle also. Okay, fine.
Okay,
so
ma'am.
I think so. It is clear to you all now. Sublimation, all of you have written it. I think further,
Yes,
this question
I
is.
wrote the example also.
Ma'am, I also wrote the example.
Now just write down this question and tell me. Think about it and tell me in the next class that how will you separate it. Name a suitable technique of separation of the components from a mixture of calcium sulfate and camphor.
Ma'am, what is calcium sulfate?
It is again one compound, okay? Calcium sulfate. And
just like ammonium chloride.
Yes, just like ammonium chloride, sodium chloride, same way it is. Now you know what is camphor. You wrote camphor in one example.
Yes, ma'am, we wrote.
Just write down this question. Next class we'll be discussing this question. First write down this question and think about it. How will you, don't write the answer. We'll discuss it, that how can we separate, because you know that camphor is.
So both can be sublimated if we use sublimation.
If you use sublimation, then camphor vaporizes and you are left with calcium sulfate. Okay. So you can write this, or you can, okay, one more I have. Mixture of calcium. So this type of questions are asked in this topic. Separation of substance mein these type of questions are asked. Like one question.
Separation will not come in exam. This
it
exam,
will not
right?
come, but kabhi to aayega na. It will come someday.
Yeah, next in essay it will come.
Yeah. So whenever I teach, I tell ki this type of
Ma'am,
question.
in essay full year's portion will come.
That you will get to know. Name. Okay, don't know. This is another question. How will you separate? How will you separate? This answer Yaya gave me just now. How will you separate a mixture of?
Ma'am, which one we have to submit, or both we have to submit?
You don't have to submit anything.
No, ma'am, but like we have to do both, no?
Just think about the answer and then we'll discuss it in the class. How will you separate a mixture of? This is one question. This is second question. This answer just now Yahya gave also.
Ma'am, should we write how will you separate a mixture?
Write down and think about a method.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute.
got it, ma'am.
Done?
Ma'am, on the second.
No,
No,
ma'am.
I'm on second question.
I also.
I want to ask, ma'am, how can we separate that ammonium like
So this you have to think. Next class we'll discuss it.
no, ma'am, not about that.
Okay?
Ammonium chloride and iodine together. So how will we separate
Ammonium
them?
chloride and iodine both together you cannot separate by sublimation because both of them sublimate. Okay?
Yes, so from how will we separate?
So you'll not be able to separate it. You will have to use some chemical method. Okay? So all
Ma'am,
these
we can use evaporation also
I'm done,
or
ma'am.
condensation also. That distillation also, because iodine is a liquid now.
Ma'am, when the clouds form after like it vaporizes and
Ma'am,
then it
iodine is
condenses,
liquid or
and
solid?
when they,
liquid, iodine is solid. Only
ma'am, I
bromine
want to
is
say
liquid.
something.
Okay? And chlorine is gas.
Ma'am, I
Yeah.
want to say something. Ma'am,
Yes.
when the clouds condense and they form a cloud, and when they rain, the raining process is called precipitation.
Yes. Correct. You have read that, na?
Yes,
What,
ma'am.
everything you have read in previous classes, right? So we have
And when it comes in river and sea again, it is called collection.
correct. So
Ma'am,
we
we
have
learned it in first standard only.
so
We
whatever you
learned
have
it in
learned
third
is good that you
standard.
remember because we use it in the further classes. Like the question is asked, how can you say that cloud formation is a physical process, or is it a physical change or chemical change? So you will mention it because the phase change is taking place. Okay, vaporization and condensation is taking place, and again it
Okay, ma'am.
vaporizes and condenses. So
Because
that is
the
why.
molecules are the same.
Yeah, molecules are same, only the phase change is taking place. So it is a physical change. You know that in physical change, only the phase change take place. No new substance is formed.
Ma'am, in
And
MCQs, you can ask
No
about
new
physical and
molecules are
chemical
formed.
change also, na?
yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Which time of change is there? What type of reaction is taking place in
And
sun?
examples also.
Yes.
Which of these is an
Okay.
example of
I'm
physical?
sending all MCQs in revision. Go through the MCQs. You will understand what type of
Ma'am,
questions we. Okay.
ma'am,
Okay,
if
ma'am.
like this question also, how will you separate mixture of three alag alag ammonium chloride and then salt?
But this is not coming in this
This
exam.
is
It
not
will come
coming
in
in your
next
essay.
come.
Okay, so
It
that's
will come
all.
in the next exam.
Yes, next exam. So that's all. Today you check your Google Classroom. By evening, I'll send you the revision question bank, right, for science.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. See you.
Bye, ma'am.